Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today we'll be animating running. So walk you through step by step. So what you can see right now are three lines. So the first line, the one at the top, is the head. Second is the head, and third is for the pelvis. Now these are just there to help us when we animate, like guidelines, like how we make stickman figures for animation. For that, just like that, we are using these to keep the head in shape. Now this is the head. So I've already animated the head, so to make it easy for everyone to understand. So the head moves up and down as we run, because the body moves up and down as we run. Now we start making the body. So I'll start with stickman figure drawings as a guideline for my animation. You just have to make the same figure, keep the size same, and keep on drawing. For running is easy. I think it's easier than walking because the legs move faster, so you don't have to draw more frames. You can do it in like 5 to 6 frames and then copy paste. It's easier than walking for me. Yeah, so this is just legs crossing each other. Yeah, I'm going to post the full animated scene I made from this animation today, or I think tomorrow. Today I'll post it today. No, I'll post it tomorrow, or maybe midnight, something like that. So the stickman figure is. Now we can just start making the body. Yeah, the body is simple for me. I just made a backpack, a kid running with a backpack. You can draw whatever you want, the body, whatever kind of body you want. So for us, it took like 5 frames to animate the running scene. If you want to make it look smoother, it can be done in 10 frames, 8 frames, depends on your choice. So now I'm shading the leg that was behind, so that for the next cycle of running it can be forward. It's two cycles. The leg that was in front earlier goes to the back one cycle, then it goes to the front the second cycle. Same is the case with the leg at the back. It's in the back in the first cycle, then moves to the forward the second cycle. Yes, now as you can see, the body is ready. You can check the animation again and again. Now we'll do the hands. I'll show you a very nice trick for hands. If you run Procreate Dreams, then I know the trick. If not, I don't. You can just do the same in your platform if you have the feature. So instead of drawing the hand again and again, I'll just draw one hand and edit it to animate it. Yeah. So move the anchor at the shoulder, then rotate it for the next frame. So I've duplicated, then move the anchor to the shoulder. Yeah, move the hand a little down because the body is moving down, and then rotate it. Duplicate, move down, rotate. When we're running, we have a little jump. That's why the body moves up. So the hand moves totally at the back, just like the leg. It goes with the leg. Coordinate the hand with the legs. Yeah, comment down below what kind of tutorial you want next. I'll make tutorials on whatever I make. And if you like ASMR art, let me know. Just me painting or drawing or animating. Now for the other hand, just use the same hand and move it in the opposite direction. If the first hand is going backward, the opposite hand is going forward, and vice versa. Now here what I'm doing is copy and pasting 5 frames of hand I made in reverse order. So the first 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, you paint the 5, you make the 5 hands animation, and then you copy the 4th one, paste it in front of the 5th, 3rd one in front of the 4th, in reverse order, because the hand is going forward, then backward, then forward, then backward. So it's the same cycle. Instead of drawing again and again, you can just copy paste. It goes back as the hand comes forward. Just clean up a bit, and yeah, your animation is ready. Follow the guidelines and be true to the process. add colors, yeah, like this. Color the head, whatever you want to do, you can do it. Color the hands, color the face, put a hat on it.